Hugging Face Chat is one of the features that has been launched by Hugging Face, the AI open source community, for you to try out how you can build tools like very similar to the ones that you can do in custom GPT where you use assistants. So for that you just need to go to Hugging Face Chat, and then when you log in for the first time, and I'm showing you live here, Hugging Face would like to access your Hugging Face account. So Hugging Chat is a separate entity under the Hugging Face. So you want to give it the authority to access, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use it. So Hugging Chat, I want to sign in with my Hugging Face account, and now I have come into the Hugging Chat. So Hugging Chat is a very similar concept like Chat GPT, that is using different models. So right now it is using Mixtral AI model to use for its coding, and also you can search the web and you can play around with it, and it does well as well. So one example I want to go, help me build a AI clipper software to highlight YouTube videos, give all the steps and code as well. Some spelling mistake, build a AI to make sure, because it is an AI clipper software for highlighting YouTube. Okay, let us see how it works just to be sure. Clipper, yeah. So it is using Mixtral LLB, which is a open source large language model from Mistral company, and it is supposedly be very good. Also, it is checking the internet as well. Okay, so it is giving me a good option that is there. It is also searching the internet. It is also searching the Mixtral, and it is giving us a good output. So this is a good thing that you can try around. How well it is compared to ChatGPT, now the Gemini Bard, the Gemini Ultra, the new model that is there, or the Copilot, I don't know. It is just an option for you. But the main reason why I am showing you this and talking about this is a new thing that has been introduced very recently, called as an assistance. So assistance, and there is also called as I will just walk you through the other things that are there. There is some settings wherein if you want to share your conversation with the model author, so you can also do that. Hide emoticons in current conversation, so that is unticked by itself. You can select a lot of different models like Llama 2, Noise Hermes, Code Llama 70B. This is the latest 7B model if you are working with code and all those things. Then Mistral 7B small model, and Open Chat, this is the Open AI's open source model that is available. So there are a lot of options that you can select. For now I'm using Mixtral, which is one of the best ones that are there. So other than that, there is something called as a theme. You can make it dark, you can make it light, so that is up to you. And now assistance. So assistance is something that is very new. It is some as I was telling you, it is a custom GPT that is introduced, and the best thing is it is free, so everyone can use. You don't need to pay $20 and play around with this. And I'm also going to do a very workshop around this in details as well. So here, if you can do create new assistants, this is a option. But before that, there are few ones that are already created team. So here we have Julian, who the CTO, trying to scale my productivity by cloning myself. Please talk with me. So so she has created this assistant. Then we have Victor, who is also from the team, who has created something about website designer, image creator, real human. So you can also play around with this, start chatting, make a prompt, get an image in return. So they have given some conversation starters. So let me do a rough sea with a rock and waves hitting at it. So rock, waves, someone hitting at it, and let us see how it works. So it is somewhat nice, it is quick, and it is nice as well. So this is some of the assistants that you can already pre-use, and you can also, when you click, you will get the details about whatever it is asking. So it is asking it to create from pollination, generate your image. It is asking it to create from pollination, and these are the details that are there. This is the link that you can keep sharing with it, and it's a very basic system instruction that is there. So you can look at some of the GPTs and you can see what really works. I want to see what about Julian. What is the system instruction that she has? Oh, she has a very detailed this thing. Who is a co-founder of Hugging Face, field of NLP and machine learning. So this is very much detailed, as you can see. The whole instruction is here, and you can also take this and you can play around with this and work as well. So this is going to take the information from the internet, plus it is going to take this detail from the chat that it has. So this is interesting. So you can look at this. And now I will just see how about creating a new assistant. So what all you need? So first thing you require is an avatar. So you can take the avatar from the, let me just check, a Gemini Advanced. So when you click Gemini Advanced, so many this thing is coming, but let me just do again bar dot. So the Gemini URL is not yet available. So but Gemini Advanced. What I want to create here is assistant. I want to create a LinkedIn bot. So LinkedIn chat bot. But I have not written create an image. So is it that smart? Okay, 1 second. Stop. Image. So Gemini Advanced is not that smart. It is not able to understand. Oh, it is not creating it for me. For image LinkedIn chatbot avatar. Okay, this let me take this for the time being. Download full size. Then I go here, upload. Okay, so this is the avatar. So LinkedIn post creator. Description help you to create a LinkedIn post with engaging content. So this is for the people who want to understand the description. Basic description is while you are looking at the bot, you will see this particular option that is there. Now start message, create a LinkedIn post on Hugging Face, because we are on Hugging Face. Then create what are the elements of a good LinkedIn post? What are elements of a good LinkedIn post? Then what is the best time to post? What is the best time to post LinkedIn to do a LinkedIn post? So what, this is great. And one more question, create a LinkedIn post. Give me hook ideas, or on LLM. So let us see this thing. Now instruction prompt, system prompt. So can I ask Gemini to give me some instruction prompt? Can you give me some for this bot to create a LinkedIn post? So let me see what Gemini gives me. So these are some of the prompts that they're asking. Give me some instructions. Okay. they ask for the, the type of LinkedIn post, and what LinkedIn post you want me to create. What LinkedIn post you want me to create. Tone variation. Ask about the tone variation. And audience. So let us see how it works. So these are some of the prompts that I'm giving in to see how what it does. And we can always, the way prompting works is you always have to reiterate. So this is a very basic thing that I have taken with the help of the internet, and also the LinkedIn spelling is wrong. So I need to edit LinkedIn. Okay, so now let me take this, activate. It is active. And what's up? Okay, LinkedIn post creator, start chatting. So it is giving me, taking all the inputs that are there, and it is creating something that is there. You can play around with this. It is not doing that. Make the tone. What are the tone options? What are the tone options? So these are some of the things that you can play around with to understand how you can improve it. See, these are some of the tones. So I have written some of the tones from there: professional, friendly. So you can ask it to change the prompt accordingly. So this is a very basic level. Still, custom GPT is more advanced, as I can see, but at least it gives you a good start to play around with it, to see how it goes. I'm sure they're going to add a lot of new things that are there if you want to play around with it. And looking forward for more such videos. This was very good introduction to Hugging Chat and the assistants that they have launched, something very new. Play around with this, get an idea. See, there are so many chat assistants that are already available. I will share the link that I created as well in the community. Have a look at it, and see you in the next video.